Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Please respond in the chat for me. Perfect. 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 A very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. And yeah, welcome back. It's good to be back. And guys, today I started our session a little bit lately. Kindly please don't mind, train. So it's a little bit late. From tomorrow onwards, generally we'll be going with our own time. Okay. All right. So yeah, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small, a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered on our Thursday session. So by Thursday, we completed discussing about control statements. Yes, we know what is the use of these control statements. Like control statements enable control over the program. So basically, there are three types of control statements are there: selection, iteration, and jump statements. Selection statements if else, if, and switch case. Iteration statements while, do while, for, and for each. Jump statements break, continue, and return. All these we already covered. So guys, understanding control statements very easy. Trust me, very easy. Implementing them, that depends upon the way how you are thinking. For example, I'm going to take a method, void method one. All right, let me make this as a parameterized method. Okay, so now I'm going to write my main method. Okay. Now, inside this main method, let me just try to create an object for my class. Okay. Class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. And now I'm going to call my method AOBJ dot method on, and I'm giving the parameter as 2. Now, my intention is I want to print two table. I want to print two table. Like, for example, just let me try to. Okay. Simple. I just want to print two table, means 2 into 1 equal to 2, like this. I need an entire table, not only 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. No, not like that. 2 ones, 2s. Okay. 2 2s equal to 4. So on up to 2 into 10 equal to 20. I want to print an entire two table like this. One more time, I'm saying I don't want to print only 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. I need an entire table structure. Okay. Any ideas? Means basically whatever the parameter I'm giving here, that table I want to print. Any ideas? For loop? Shall we go with for loop? Okay. For loop, tell me. Two semicolons. Don't forget that. Two semicolons. Int I equal to 1. Why 1? Why? Because two ones, two twos, two threes. Okay. Condition, please. I less than or equal to 10. I plus plus. Now tell me. SYSO X plus double quotes into plus I plus double quotes equal to plus X into I. I hope you're understanding the point here, right? So right now, if I'm executing this program, of course, I'll be getting my output like that. Am I clear with this? See, we already know how to use for loop. We already know that inside system.out.println, whatever the data which we are trying to write, it will be printed. The way how we are writing this, That is completely depending upon our requirements. According to our requirements, we need to write the code as simple as this. Did you got that? Please respond. Okay. Then now tell me one thing. I'm going to write something like 2 comma 7. I'll be writing something like 2 comma 7. Right now, I want you to give me a code such that first two tables should be printed. After that, a line. Then three table, line, four table, line. So that up to seven, 2 to 7 tables. I want you to write, please write the code. After every table, a line should be printed. Go ahead, start. Here I can give any parameters. For example, if I'm giving 5 and 7, if I'm giving 5 and 7, how many tables you need to print? Three tables. 5, 6, 7, like that. Come on, go ahead. Give me the logic, please. Go ahead, try. Feel free to discuss, no problem. And why today's strength is less? Holidays, after holidays, immediate day. Hmm. Offline students also currently attending online. From tomorrow onwards, please be in the class, guys. People who are attending offline, online. Done? Joining link. Which joining link? Today, I don't have that link. Today it's not, you're unable to join. Uh, I don't have that link. Yeah, Rishank, yes. Use loops. I don't mind how you are writing, but I need the code. Go ahead. First two table, after that three table, after that, first two table, a line, three table, a line, just a line. Go ahead, try. Then, how many have you completed? One, two, three. Guys, please don't give up. Try. One more minute. Yeah, Karnakar. Yes. All right. Okay, Pratap, you are saying your Eclipse is taking time to open. That depends upon your system, buddy. Depends upon your system. Okay, let us just try to sort it out. Now, in order to make this happen, we need to use two for loops. Two for loops. For, okay, first semicolon. Now, what I'll be doing, obviously I need to take one more parameter into I. I'm taking one more parameter into I. Now, you know that for loop, how many statements for loop will be having? Three statements. First one is initialization. Second one is condition. Third one is increment or decrement operator. You know that initialization, increment or decrement operator, it's not absolutely mandatory to write them. Yes or no? But condition absolutely mandatory. So right now, already we are initializing X with 2, Y with 7. So I will skip writing initialize statement here. Simply, I'm going to give the condition. X should be, tell me, less than or equal to, don't say 7. Y. Is that condition true? Come on. After that, X plus plus. Simply, we can write X plus plus. Means in every iteration, we are trying to increment the value of X. All right. Now, here, simply, I'm going to write int I equal to 0. Simply, if I'm writing like this, two table will be printed, 3, 4, 5 like that. But what I told you, after every table, I want you to give me a line, right? So simply system.out.println, I'm just going to write like this. And then completed. If I execute my program, right click, run as Java application, two table, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As simple as it is. As a matter of fact, you know what? There is only one line. So let me remove this also. Done. Can you observe this code? Are you understanding the point here? Online students, I need your opinion here. Please respond. Please respond, guys. Online students, am I clear with this? See, logical programming means first you need to understand the problem. What is the problem? And then you should find out a solution based upon the concepts which you already know. Can you please have this code if you did not write that? Anyone? Please have this. After that, I'll be giving you one more task. Please go ahead. Done. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. Please message me in the chat if completed. Okay. I guess it's completed for everyone. All right. Now, give me a program, write a code, write a logic to print 1 to 100 numbers. Start. Just print 1 to 100 numbers. Oh, sorry. Almost forgot. Don't use any loops. Yeah. Don't use any loops. Without using loops, print 1 to 100 numbers. Don't use while, do while, for loop or for each. Without using any loops, I want you to print 1 to 100. Pratap, absolutely yes. Okay, shall I give you an idea? Shall I give you an idea? Yes? Yes or no? Yaar? Ah. Now, system.out.println. Hi. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting an output as hi. Okay. Now, are you seeing this? I mean, I'm able to print hi, right? So basically, what is happening? I'm able to print hi multiple times. Basically, what is happening here? Am I using any loops? No. Basically, I'm trying to call a method from itself. I'm trying to call a method from itself. This particular process is known as, yep, recursion. Calling a method from itself is known as recursion. Go ahead. I want you to print 1 to 100 numbers without using loops. What? I don't know. You just try to show, print and show me. I gave you an idea, recursion concept. The only thing is you need to control the recursion. When recursion will end, if you are not controlling the recursion, once that stack memory is filled up, automatically you will be getting an exception. Stack overflow exception. You know, in JVM, we are having 5 memory areas are there: class area, heap area, stack area. Stack area provides temporary memory to store the data and results which were obtained from method executions. If you are not controlling the recursion, finally you will be getting an exception. Stack will overflow. The only thing is you need to control this. How you are controlling that matters. Remember, you need to print 1 to 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 100. Think about it. I did not set control statement. I said only loops. While, do while, for loop. Don't use any loops, print 1 to 100. Are you sure this is correct? Yes? Fine. Please come. If complete, please come. I want to check. uh, you are using the reference which is present inside the main method. You are using OBJ. Did you create any object? Except that, fine. Please. Okay. Fine. Right. We'll do one thing. Let me just try to check this. Let's find out. Now here, I'm removing this. Eyes on the board, please. Int x equal to 1. Okay. Int x equal to 1. If, what is your condition? If x equal to, if x equal to 100, if x equal to 100, break. B R E A break. After that, else S Y S O. You want to print x. Now x plus plus. After that, new class A, new class A dot method 1. This is your code, right? Yes. Almost same. What is your code? Which statement you are using? No. How you are coming out from the recursion? Where we need to use break. Where we need to use break. Inside the loop or else switch. Did you remember that? Yes or no? Why? Because you know that whenever the compiler came across break statement, it will be coming out from the loop or else from the block. I told you. Do you remember that? Yes, sir. But here, if is a block, let me just try to keep it like this. No, it's not going to work like that. Block in the sense, if you're writing for loop, you will be having open braces and close braces, right? Block means that one, not exactly if block or else block. Are you getting the point here? Come on. Okay, so we will not be able to use break statement here. Let me make this simple. If you want to use break statement, we need to use either inside for loop or switch. Remember like that. So, nope, this is not going to work. Is not going to work. Okay, any other ideas? Okay, how about return, return? Let's find it out. Shall I execute? You know what happens whenever the compiler came across return statement? Yes or no? Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. If you are writing return statement also, it's not going to work. I mean, we need to print 1 to 100, not exactly like this. Okay, no, it's not going to work. So what I need to do? Right, we'll do one thing. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. I'm going to take int x equal to 1. Int x equal to 1. Now here, if x is, how to write this? Let me try to write, okay, fine, equal to 100, return, return, x equal to 100, return. Now here, simply new class A dot method 1 and x, okay, system dot out dot println x plus plus. How about right now? Same output. Am I going to get same output? Same output means previously I got an exception. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah? Let's execute. Right click, run as Java application. Exactly same output. Okay, we'll do one thing. Instead of writing this, let me make this as static. Here, I need to write equal to 101. Let me make it like this. So previously, why only one we are getting? Guys, instance variable. When you're speaking about instance variable, you know that for every instance, a separate copy will be getting created. Yes or no? Here, if you observe line number 11, we are creating an object every time. Every time we are creating an object. So every time x value will be 1 only. But we don't want that. We want to increment the value. So I need only one copy. I hope you're understanding the point here. Please respond. I need only one copy. So what I did, I made this as a static variable. We know that static variable, how many copies of static variable will be available? Only one copy. So every time I'm incrementing, okay, first iteration, one, after that, two, three, four. Once X value becomes 101, I'm using return. Whenever the compiler came across return statement, immediately it will be coming out from the method. That's it. It will be coming directly back to the calling method. Online students, I guess it's clear, guys. There are different other ways are also there. This is my way. Kindly please try to have this. Carry on, please. This is your way. Again, here also, I value will be one only. Yes. X value will be one only. Every time we are creating a new object, right? All right. So is it done? Please respond. Is it done? Okay. I'm removing this. Shall I? Okay. Do me a small favor. Kindly please try to guess the output for this program. Write the code. Write the code and guess the output. Please observe print and println. Please observe print and println. Completed. Please show me the output. If completed, show me the output. Done? Show me. No. Check it one more time. No. No. Check it one more time. Good job. Check it one more time. Check it one more time. On. Check it one more time. Done? Check it one more time. What happened, guys? Check it one more time. Ma, output? No. No. Try. Discuss. Feel free to discuss. What I told you. Discuss. All right. Please come. Please come. No. No. Please come on. No. Check it one more time. All right, guys. Time's up. Online students, I got your outputs. Karunakar, Hemasudha, Gopal, Venugopal, Pratap, no, not Pratap, Shilpa, Murali Krishna, Junaid, Joshua. Okay, a lot of people are wrong here, by the way. Nageshwar. Okay, second time you are correct, Karnakar. First time wrong. All right, let me show you the output. The output for this program is right click, run as Java application. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of you got correct output? Only 2. How many of you know this concept? How many of you know this concept while and do while? Ah, then why? What happened? You already know the concept. Then why? Let's try to analyze this. Shall I? Let's try to analyze. Okay. Now, I equal to 0, j equal to 0. All right. Now here, while I is less than 3, what is the value of I? You need to tell me what is the value of I? 0 less than 3. Okay. While loop. This is a loop. So entered into the loop. Again, inside this, we are having do while. Okay. No worries. Do. You know how do while will work. First, it will execute, then it will check the condition. Okay. J plus plus. J plus plus. What is the value of J previously starting? What is the value of J? 0. Right now, J value will be incremented to 1. Okay. System.out.print J. 1 got printed. A small space. Remember, print, not println, print. So after printing J, that is 1, I'm having a small space. And kindly please do remember, our cursor is present in the same line. Right? All the statements executed in do. After that, again coming here, checking the condition. While J is less than 2. What is the value of J? 1. Is it less than 2? No. Is it less than 2? Yes. The condition is true. As the condition is true, again we need to execute do loop. So J value will be incremented to 2 and 2, J2 will be printed and a small space. Now coming here, J2, right now J value is 2, less than 2, 2 less than 2. The condition is false. As the condition is false, no need to execute this do loop. Remember, still we are inside the while. Okay. Now coming to here, I plus plus. Previously, what is the value of I? 0. Right now, it will be incremented to, I value will be incremented to 1. Coming here, all the statements got executed. Now, coming here, tell me, what is the value of I? 1. 1 less than 3. Yeah, of course, the condition is true. Enter into the loop. First, what we need to do? We need to execute the loop. Okay. J plus plus. Already J value is 2. Right now, it will be incremented to 3. Sir, but previously, whenever we are using recursion concept, previously that value is only 1. At that time, every time we are creating a new object. Remember that. Remember that. Yes or no? As of now, am I creating any new object here? No. Same with only one object I'm trying to call. Okay, now J value is 3. System.print J3 and a space will be printed. After that, coming to here, what is the value of J right now? You need to respond, guys. 3. 3 less than 2. No, the condition is false. Okay, leave it. Coming to line number 16. I. Okay, I value is 1. Right now it will be incremented to 2. Coming here, 2 less than 2. The condition is true. Enter here, J, it is 3. It will be incremented to 4. Right now, J value is 4. System out dot print J4 and a space will be printed. And after that, coming to here, 4 less than 2. Obviously, the condition is false. Now I value will be incremented to 3, checking the condition 3 less than 3. Nope, the condition is false. The entire loop will be terminated. As simple as this. Everyone knows the concept. Everyone knows the concept. But you just got confused. Please don't. Online students, I guess it's clear, guys, for everyone. I need you to please respond to the chat for me. Please respond. Please respond. You know the concept, guys. You see, that's what I'll try to say. Don't forget the basics. Just don't. If you remember the basics, easily you'll be able to sort the concept. Okay. Yeah, my intention is to make you confused. Okay. My intention is to to get you confused, but you should not be getting confused. Anyways, do one thing. Kindly please try to have this program in your notes and guess the output for me. Let me remove this and Go ahead. Please have this in your notes and guess the output. Yeah, please. Just follow the basics. Check it one more time. Please check it one more time. Okay. If you are using multiple loops, and if there is a break statement, that break statement will affect the most inner loop. Remember, compiler will not come out from all the loops. If we are having multiple loops, and if there is a break statement, it will affect most inner loop. Remember that. Remember that. Almost correct. Check it one more time. No, 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 no. No. One more time, I am saying, if there are multiple loops, break statement, if there is only one break statement, it will affect the most inner loop. Compile will be just coming out from the inner loop. Good job. Murali Krishna, yeah, check it one more time. Check it one more time. Murali Krishna, please check it one more time, I guess. Online students, I'm getting your outputs. That is good. I'm getting Shubham, yes. Karnakar, yes. Malli, yes. Sahiti, almost. Please. Not exactly. Not exactly correct. All right. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. No. We're starting from here. Okay. No. All right. Time's up. Let me show you the output here. Please check this. Right click, run as. Okay, guys, let me ask you one thing. For example, B value is 20. Okay. B value is 20. A value is 10. Fine. While A is less than or equal to 20. What is A value? You need to respond, guys. 10. Okay. This entire code is present inside the if condition. Tell me one thing. When this entire code will be executed? When A equal to 15. Until A equal to 15, no need to worry about that. Yes or no? So here, tell me, what is our first output? Continue. 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to 14, it will be printed. After that, whenever A value becomes 15, okay, if block will be getting executed, while, okay, while B is less than or equal to 30. What is the value of B? 20. Okay. Now, this code, when this code will be getting executed? If B equal to 25. Until B value is equal to 25, no need to worry about this. Yes or no? Hey, come on here. So B value 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And after, whenever B value becomes 25, okay, it came across break statement, and I told you it will be coming out from the loop, inner loop. Right now, remember, we are already present inside a loop. This is second loop, inner loop. Yes or no? So whenever the compiler came across break statement, it will just come out from this loop, just from the inner loop. That's it. And still we are inside the if block. Okay, if executed. You know this. That is whatever the code which is present inside this if condition, how many times it will be getting executed? Only for one time. Okay, done, completed. Coming to here, I value. Why 16? 15. Yes or no? 15. 15 will be printed. 15. After that, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once I value becomes 20, this loop also will be getting terminated. So your output will be A value, yeah, A value 10 to 14, B value up to 24, and A value from 15 till up to 20. Got it? Online students, I guess it's clear, guys. Okay, that is good. That is good. See, that's what I'm trying to say. The way how you are understanding matters. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me remove this. Okay. Now here I'm going to get simply num and 5. All right. What is the factorial for 5? How? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 0 up to 1. Either you can go 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Yes or no? Give me a factorial. Give me the logic to find the factorial, please. Give me the logic to find the factorial for a number. Code is on the board. Let me execute. Is this right or wrong? No, wrong. Why wrong? Please tell me where I did a mistake. Find out my mistake. Find out. You need to understand the condition, guys. Simple condition. Done. Completed. First, I took a normal variable, like a local variable. And after that, I'm using my number 5. It should be greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. And I'm trying to decrement it. Okay, first the condition is true. What is the value for 5? I mean, num 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, fact. 1 into 5. 5. That is, I'm assigning the value to here. So after first iteration, fact value will be 5. After that, just, okay, fact value is 5. After that, coming here, num minus minus means 5 will be directed to 4. Coming back here, what is the value for fact? 5. 5 into 4. Okay, what is the value here? 20. Coming back, it will be directed to 3. Now here it is 20. 20 into 3. What is that? 60. All right. After that, coming here, this is 2. Right. 2. Fact into, what is the value of fact? 60. 60 into 2. That is 120. Now, 1. Condition, of course, condition is true. Fact, 120 into 1. 120. After that, coming here, 0. So, condition is false. As the condition is false, that's it. Done. This loop will not be executed. Okay. Now, tell me one thing. How many even numbers are between 1 to 5? How many even numbers are between 1 to 5? 2. What are those? 2 and 4. 1 to 100 or else 1 to 59. Give me the logic. Give me the logic. I want you to write the code. For example, right now, shall I remove this? Shall I remove this? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. No, you want to write? Okay, please carry on. Please carry on. I'll do one thing here. I'm going to add one more method, void method 2. Now I'm going to write something like int x comma int y. Now I'll be calling aobj dot method 2 and I'm going to give the parameter 1 to 50. Now I want you to print all the even numbers between 1 to 50 and I want you to count also. You need to count how many even numbers are present between 1 to 50. Not only printing, you should count. Go ahead. All right. Let me just try to. Okay. I'm gonna use for loop two semicolons. So x should be less than or equal to y and x plus plus if x modulus 2 equal to 0 system dot out dot println. I'm just trying to print x. If I'm writing like this, okay, I just want to make it for 5, 1 to 5. Let's make it short. Okay, we'll be getting only the even numbers. But what I told you, I want you to print the count also. So I'll do one thing. Simply, I'm going with int count equal to 0, I guess. Okay, 0. And here, let me just try to print, not here. I'll do one thing. Let me just try to get back here. How about Norris? Let me keep it like this. Inside if. How about, can I write count plus plus here? And system dot out or println. So we can take count and plus count. Can I write like this? Let's see. No. Now tell me what I need to do. Where I need to write count inside if block. Why? Because I want to count how many even numbers are there, not like how many types of iteration I am doing. Okay, then I'll do one thing. Let me just try to cut. And here, I'm just going to write, anywhere I can write it, no worries. Now, if I execute my program, I'll be getting my output like this. So you can change the input also. For example, I'm going to give 159, right click, run as Java application. So basically there are 29 even numbers. Odd means simply what we need to write, not equal to. That's it. Okay. So these are what, I mean, this is what, how we need to use control statements. Guys, please don't miss tomorrow's session. I mean it. Please don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we will be dealing with how to accept the input from the user at runtime. And tomorrow I'll be giving you a little bit more interesting tasks for you. Right? One more time I am saying this. How to accept the input at runtime. Tomorrow we will discuss that and I'll be giving you some more tasks, interesting tasks. Trust me, you will love it. Right? And day after tomorrow, just a second. Day after tomorrow, I'll be showing you the projects. I'll be showing you the projects. Okay. So you'll love that session also. I promise. I literally promise. Up to now, a lot of times people are asking me, sir, what we need to do, where we need to practice, give me some tasks like that. You're asking me. And that day after tomorrow, that is Thursday, we are going to make that happen. Okay. Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue the session again by tomorrow. And today I started our session a little bit lately, like as I'm coming directly from my vacation from marriage, directly I came to the session here. So kindly please don't mind. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start with our regular timing. Okay. Dot. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And remember, rainy season, take care of your health. Take care of your health and make sure to come to the class. Okay. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. Perfect. Right. Thank you. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.